Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today is the first day of the new year, so I wish everyone who's watching this video a successful 2024. As aforementioned in the previous video, in this phase I will perform a full count of over 50 symbols, and we will start with the EUR-USD. First thing first, in order to be able to count efficiently, I suggest you guys to choose the broker FXCM or ICE. The reason is we have the data from 1971. If you choose ICE, we have the same thing, 1971. So we have kind of a long data to count. But if you choose Wanda, the data is from 2002. And if you choose Forex.com, the data is even shorter, 2006. So remember to choose the FXCM or ICE. For me, I use FXCM. Basically, we will have the weekly time frame, daily, the hour, and 45 minutes. The 15 minutes is just for finding the entry, so we're mainly focusing on the weekly, daily, hourly, and the smallest one is 45 minutes. Okay, looking at the chart right now, we can identify this is the highest high. This is the lowest low, and this is the most recent low. This high separate the chart into two parts. The one on the left is an impulsive wave, and one on the right is a corrective wave. So let's start with the one on the left first. We will count this one as an impulsive wave. I will label this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the highest degree, red. Let's focus on the left hand side. When we count the impulsive wave, we need to identify the special patterns like a diagonal or triangle, a connecting set. A diagonal can be the first or the fifth wave. A triangle can be the fourth wave, and a connecting set could be the second wave. So, looking at this part of the chart, what do you guys see? I can see a big leading diagonal here, right? And I will use these two trend lines to make the diagonal easier to identify. I'm going to mark this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the waves of a 1 degree smaller, purple. So, for the diagonal, we have two things. We have two conditions to check in order to make sure that this diagonal is acceptable. The first thing is as a diagonal, wave 4 needs to overlap wave 1. So, it's good in this wave, right? The second thing that we need to check to make sure that exists in this diagonal is among these 5 waves, we need at least 3 waves that has the structure of 3 subwaves inside it. Wave 1, because we need a structure of 3 subwaves, So this becomes a correction, right? For the correction, we need to find the connecting set or the triangle, because the connecting set could be the wave B and the triangle can be the wave X. Actually, they can be both. So for wave 1, the purple wave 1, I notice one thing here, the connecting set. So by identifying this, I label this as A, B, and C. This one is 1 degree smaller, blue. A, B, C. So, don't forget to check the Fibonacci ratio. In this cheat sheet, I have the ratio that we need to check here. Okay, it could be a flat. You will find the Fibonacci ratio here between wave A, wave B compared to A, wave C compared to A, and so on. Need to check that. We need to check that wave B and wave C compared to wave A. So wave B should be at least 0.3. So we can see here, wave B, this is the amplitude of wave B. And it is already greater than 0.5. So wave B is fine. So we're good with wave B. How about the wave C? Wave C needs to be minimum as 0.6 compared to wave A and the maximum of 2.6. Let's see. First we get the amplitude of wave A and we put the last point to the beginning point of wave C here, and we notice that wave C is greater than 0.6 and less than 1.6, which is really good. So this is a valid ABC. We have wave 1 has the 3-wave structure. Let's go with wave 3. We need a 3-wave structure. So we will look for a connecting set. I notice this is the connecting set here. I use the 2 trend lines here to mark the connecting set. So A is here, B is here, and C is here. Like we just did before, we need to check the ratio between wave B. Oh, we cannot use the Fibonacci retracement in this case because wave B, the amplitude of wave B is from here to here. Retracement is useless here in this case, so we need to use the extension version. First, we get the amplitude of wave A, okay, and then we put to the highest high of wave B, and we can see how big wave B compared to wave A. So wave B is larger than, this is the minimum ratio that wave B needs. So we're fine with wave B. The minimum of wave C is 0.6 and the maximum is 2.6. The amplitude of wave A and C. Okay, so in this case, this is interesting. Let me tell you guys. Once the wave C exceeds the 0.5, we consider it is approaching 0.6. So in this case, it already exceeds the 0.5. So we can consider that wave C is valid. Wave 2 should already have the 3-wave structure. I can see here it's WXY. Smaller degree. This will be the ABC. Right. Smaller degree. Green. Okay, it disappeared. It will be displayed in the daily time frame. Okay. ABC. Again, we need to check here. So this is a little trick. We just need to use the extension version of the Fibonacci tool. Wave B compared to wave A is 0.7, so wave B is fine. Wave C is less than 2.6. That means this ABC should be a zigzag, and wave A should be an impulsive wave. With our naked eyes, we can see that wave A here is an impulsive wave, so don't need to check. We have ABC, a valid ABC here, which forms a W, and we have an X here. X can be whatever waves. It can be an impulsive or a correction or a double, a combo, anything. Okay, let's see what we can do with the wave Y. From X to Y should be a three-way structure. Okay, three-way structure. It will be like this. Wow. And this could be a leading diagonal. This could be an ending diagonal. Or this could be a normal impulsive wave. Let's see if we can find any special patterns here. I can find leading diagonal here, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with wave 4 overlap wave 1. So this is 1 or A. Okay, A, B, C. Very easy to identify this A, B, C. And this A, B, C will form a bigger wave. I think we should use the WXY here. XY again. Because what I can see is this looks like a three-way structure. Oh, can this be an impulsive wave? Okay, so I think it's better to consider this as an ABC, and we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, let's see what the degree would be. ABC here, so this one is smaller degree, should be amber. Same for this one, amber. So wave 2 we have a three-way structure. So far for the leading diagonal here, the red one, we already have the wave 1 three-way inside it, wave 2 three-way inside it, and wave 3 three-way inside it. That makes this is a valid leading diagonal. I will count from wave 3 to wave 4. A, B, and C. Smaller degree. Okay. I think we need to go to the daily time frame. Wave A. Okay. Let's check the Fibonacci ratio between wave A and wave C. Okay, the wave C already exceed the ratio of 1.6. So wave A should be an impulsive wave. We need to find a 5-way structure in wave A. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Smaller degree. So wave A is a 5-way structure. That makes it possible for wave C to be greater than 1.6 compared to wave A. So we're fine with the A wave. Wave C, wave B. B should be here or here. I think it's on the... Oh. Let's take a closer look. You can see that this is higher than this one. So I guess wave B should be here. Okay. This looks like to me an ABC here. We need to check the ratio first to make sure that it doesn't exceed 2.6. Wow, it already exceeds 2.6. So this couldn't be an ABC here. We need to find another way. But I still think... Okay, let's see. A, B, C. So this C is fine because it's less than 2.6 as long as the A wave here is a 5-way structure. But we can easily see that this is a 5-way structure. So C is here. This ABC will form a bigger wave, which is okay. I think ABC is more reasonable because smaller one. Oh, B, C. So this is even smaller. M. A, B, C. So with this approach, we will be fine with the ratio. So the green A compared to green C, the green C is already meets the minimum ratio. So we're fine with this one. The next thing, okay, I will not go deeper inside this. From green B to green C, we need to have 5-way structure. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know where they are for now. Just one thing I know. Wave 5 should be here. And okay, we need to look for special patterns. At the beginning, is there any leading diagonal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, this is a leading diagonal. Here. Here. So wave 1 is here. Wave 2 is here. We have a connecting set here. But I will not use the trend lines here. Otherwise it will get messy. How we can determine where wave 3 and wave 4. There are several ways. If you have experience, you can see that this is a impulsive wave, and this could be wave 5. So wave 4 will be here, and wave 3 will be here. Let me show you another way. If you don't have enough experience with your eyes, we can use the parallel channel. This is what we call the Bay channel. With the Bay channel, we have wave 1 and wave 2. With these two extremes, we place the first line here and draw a parallel line here. So with these two lines on the parallel channel, once the price breaks the channel, we know that it is forming wave 3. And when the price comes back to the channel and break out again, we know that wave 4 is here and this rally is wave 5. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's back to the weekly time frame. So we have, okay, next is wave 5. The next tip I want to tell you guys is in a diagonal way. If wave 1 and wave 3 already has the structure of 3 subwaves, wave 5 usually a 5-way structure. That means wave 5 will be an impulsive wave. So we're going to be finding 5 waves in this rally. Okay, let's look for the possible leading diagonal or ending diagonal. No, any connecting wave. I see this is the connecting set. So this could be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, 5. The 5th wave should definitely be here. Smaller degree blue. We're using the Bay channel again. Okay, maybe wave 3 is here, 4 is here. Okay, the next thing, we need to make sure that, so with this way of labeling the wave, we have wave 3 is the longest wave. But we also need to make sure that we have 5 waves from wave 2 to wave 3. Let's do that. Back to the daily time frame. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 could be here, 2 here, 5. Smaller degree. Okay. So what can we do with this? We need to find 5 ways in this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amber. I don't think this is a good way to label. It doesn't look right to me. So let's change it a little bit. Okay, so we will not use this connecting set here. Instead, we label wave 2 here. We drag wave 1 here, 2 over here, and we have a longer wave 3 here. 1 would be here, 2. Okay, I think this is more reasonable. We have 3 degree, and the wave 3 is the longest one. Let's check the Fibonacci ratio of the yellow, the amber one. Wave 3 is about 0.6. And how about the green one? Wave 3 is about 4.2, which is a good ratio. How about the blue one? Okay, 3.6. All good. I think we're fine with this one. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. So we're done with the leading diagonal. Okay, with the wave 2, it's a corrective wave. I suggest to always use a parallel channel, which is the acceleration channel. So how to draw this? We need to identify the extremes. This is the first one, second one, and the third one. And to draw this parallel channel, we drag a line from these 2 extremes, and we automatically have a parallel line here. So as long as the price is still below this line, we know that the correction is still in progress. High possibility. I don't say that it's always like that, but high possibility. And once the price breaks this and be able to keep long enough above the channel, we know that the correction might end. Okay, so for correction, I need you guys to remember the other tip is in a correction wave, we need to find the special pattern like the connecting set or the triangle. So as you can see here, we have the connecting set here and the triangle here, A, B, C, D, E, right? Okay, let's make it more beautiful. We have the triangle here. Okay, and the connecting set here. This seems to me a W, X, Y. A smaller degree. Oh, here, X, Y. And this W wave consists of an ABC with a triangle in between. So we have A, B, and C here. Blue. The triangle will start from here. A, B, C, D, and E. Right? This one is green. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, we still can see from the top to the bottom of the wave W, which is great. Wave A is here. So we have wave, the blue wave is an impulsive wave. Oh, wait a second. Let's have a closer look here. Which one is higher? Oh, you need to choose this one to be 5. Wave 5 is here. Wave 5 is here. And wave 1 should be here on the right. Weekly time frame. Okay, we're good. So we will have wave A here, right? Wave A and wave B, which is a triangle. So for the triangle, same rule with a diagonal. That is, among the 5 waves inside the triangle, we need at least 3 among 5 has the structure of 5 waves inside it. So we can see 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So this green A is fine. This is A, B, C. So the green C is fine. How about this one? This one A, B, C. So I think this triangle is okay. One thing I noticed, if we use a triangle here, the wave B will be here, and it's not very beautiful for wave C, because we need to have 5 waves from here to here. It could be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't really like this because wave 1 and wave 2 are too small. So let's see if we can label it the other way. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here, from B to C, okay, it should be green. Wave 4, we have a connecting set here, right? Which means we have the A, B, and C. But where should we have the wave 1 and wave 2? If B is not here, so I think B can be here, so that 1 can be here and 2 is here. That way we have wave 3, we have from the rally from B to C like this, which is more reasonable for me. So if you do like this, connecting set for wave B will be like this. A, B, C, no. So this is A, this is B. Let's take a closer look. This is B. This is A, C. Okay. So connecting set is here. Do you guys know why? Because inside the blue B, we have A, B, C here. This is the green one. And from A to B, we have another ABC, right? This will be amber. So that way we will have B to C more reasonable. Let's check the Fibonacci ratio. The amplitude of wave A and wave C. Wave C starts here. So wave C is greater than 1 and less than 1.2, which is fine. So we have ABC here. This ABC will form a W, the purple W. Okay, so we need to check if the X amplitude is satisfied, because with the X we need the X to be at least 1.3 compared to W. The amplitude of W here, lowest low of X here. So X, the amplitude of X is here, lowest low and the highest. It's already 0.3, so we're fine. So double, so the X is okay. From X to Y, there will be ABC, ABC. This is of a smaller degree. ABC like this. And inside the blue B we have the green ABC. Let's go to the daily time frame. I think we need to go inside the blue A here. Let's do that by opening the hour time frame. We have the starting point here and the ending point here, high and low. How can we label the 5-way here? Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Okay. We can see that this is definitely an impulsive wave. Very strong movement. Let's see if we have a leading diagonal somewhere. Do you see that? Yeah, I can see that leading diagonal here. This is the leading diagonal. 1, 2. If we use the base channel here, we don't really know where 3 or 5 or 4, so we don't use it here. Instead, we will go 1 degree deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be amber. Okay. 1, 2. 1 here, 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is 1, 3. Because this is very long, so I suggest to go 1 more degree deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red. Oh, we have a lot of them. Let's drag them all the way down. So from this level, we need to use the parallel channel to determine. We can see that way 1, 2, break the channel, coming back and break it again. So we don't really know if wave 3 is here or here or here, but because it is pretty long way here, we have a long way to go here, so I suggest to choose wave 3 here and 4 here, because this position is too short, this is too long. I use this one so that when it come back to the channel and break it again, we have 4 and 5, because red 5 is here, we have the 3 amber here, 4 is here, 5 is here, 5 amber is green 3, 5 here, 4, 5 here. Okay, so with the blue wave we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check a bit with the ratio. The blue ratio for the wave 3. Okay, 2.6. Great. It is a beautiful ratio. How about the amber one? Wave 1, wave 2, we drag all the way to the right. Wave 3 is 1.6. Great too. How about the red one? 1, 2, okay, nearly 1.6. So we have wave A is already fully labeled. One thing to remember, wave 4 always become a resistance and support. In this case, it becomes a resistance. So you can see that when the price coming up here, it got some reaction coming back here, retrace. And similarly, we're coming to the wave 4 here, got some reaction. Okay, next we will work with the wave B. So I'm wondering if wave A would be here or here or here. If wave A is here, A, B, C, then this could be an ABC here, and wave B will end here, and there will be a rally from B to C. So if A is here, let's check if we can find 5 way from for this A wave, for this green A. Okay. The green A is starting from here and here. See if we can find the leading diagonal or any triangle or any connecting set. I see a connecting set here. This could be wave 2. And if wave 2 is here, okay, and if wave 2 is here, where could be wave 3? Amber. We use the Fibonacci. Okay. So we'll have red 1 here. 1, 2. 2 is here. Coming up to 3, 4 and 5 to form the amber 3. Okay, Let's use the Fibonacci extension to see where the red 3 can be. Okay, red 3 can be 1.6 is here. Okay, I see. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, it could be like this. It could be like this. 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 5, and then we have the signal to go to enter a shot. Maybe. Let's go deeper in the 45 minutes time frame. Okay. 1, 2. We need to have a parallel channel here to see where the wave 3 could be. Okay. Once the price break the channel, it's 3. Going back to the channel is 4. And break again, 5. Okay, I think that's it for today. Let's do a summary. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope it is helpful for you. See you in the next video.